In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your own copyright-free music. Super easy. Like, I have no knowledge about music and somehow I got to make some sweet beats with this app. I'm gonna show you how it works. This app is called Splash, and if you know anything about music, I'm pretty sure you may have heard of it. I don't, so that's why I find it interesting. So with this app, you will be able to make beats. Let me show you how. Once you first open the app, you will have a bunch of categories of sounds. So for example, hip hop, these are like different groups of beats and instruments or whatever that all belong to the same category. So for example, let's say something on pop, I'm just gonna go to the first one. Here you will have a bunch of things to choose from. So we'll have these 4 square per category. So you have like 4 different options for drums. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can choose one. Or you can choose the second one. Or the third. The cool thing about it is like they all follow like the same rhythm, so you don't have to time them right, like they will time themselves. So let me show you. For example, I'm gonna put a drum and then something else. Like they all fall into place by themselves. So the one I was playing at the beginning was this one called A. I have no idea how to pronounce it. So like you have different set of sounds because I have no idea how this goes. Like All right, and we're not going to spend all day on these sounds. So you can choose with whatever instrument you want to play. And if you want to record the whole song, after you have them all playing, like, you know, after you have them activated, you press record. And basically you kind of like start just recording your song. So you can just press record and then the instrument, right? And it doesn't record your voice. Let me just lower the volume. It won't record your voice. It will only record what's playing on the app. So that's like dope because you don't get like that background noise. And then you can just like have all different sounds or whatever. You can even edit them here, like if you want them to sound differently. This is actually pretty dope. When I first saw it, I was like, oh my God, I can be an artist. Not really, but this is actually very helpful. Once you're done recording your song, you press the little record button again and then hit save. I guess you should stop it before doing that. So this is kind of like my song. I hit play. And you got yourself a beat, man. You press share and you can share it only the audio. You can share it with some sort of image there. You can even change that. You can save it on your phone or like send it to another app or something like that. This is dope. For me, this is dope. The background music that I'm using on my videos right now, I made it with this app. It is complete dog-ass, but at least I made it on my own and I'm proud of it, and I'm probably gonna make another one later on. So this app, I love it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel. Have a wonderful rest of the day, my friends, and stay safe out there.